Clinton campus. In this video, I will show you a short demonstration on how we are going to use a clothes folder, or also known as clothes folding board, using cartoon. So now, I will show you in using this DIY clothes folder. It can help you neatly fold your clothes quickly and nicely. So here are the general steps in using the clothes folder. Step 1. Place your clothes onto the board neatly and perfectly. Step 2. Flip each side of the clothes folding board. Step 3. Fold the bottom part. And lastly, flip over your clothes. And that's it. And that's it. It is simple in folding your clothes. And it is also a fun way for children to fold their own clothes as well using this DIY clothes folding board. And now, we are going to repeat the process of how we are going to fold our clothes using this folding board. There you have it. That's how simple and easy this folding board can be used. And if you don't know how to fold your clothes manually, use this folding board now. Thank you.
Oh, thank you so much.